She says I'm a rolling stone, and that's why I roll alone, alone. So fill me up again, I'm running low. Fill me up again, it's not enough. Fill me up again, yeah. I just wanna see myself at the bottom of the glass. Fill me up, it's not enough. Fill me up again, I'm getting rough. Fill me up again, yeah. Just wanna see myself at the bottom of
to me. Know that I should probably wife you up. Baby, I swear I'm done with these. Other women, they don't mean shit to me. You was trying to know me when they didn't know me. Girl, we fell in love, we both worked at the mall. Way before the rolling, you was just my homie. You were trying to love way before I had it all. We working minimum wage. I need to see you, I switch days. Meaning I switch shifts, revving my engine. Looking back ashamed, we were only a phase. Baby, you're a one of one to me. Know that I should probably wife you up. Baby, I swear I'm done with these. Other women, they don't mean shit to me.
Oh,
Yeah.
check this deal
Turning
out.
down the rest for you. If they call us foul, I'm fighting all the rest for you. You make me a better me, I make you a better you. Riding with the top off.
So I'm off to the Kohanga Reo Expo, flying to Hamilton this morning. I'm rushing because I'm hoping I don't miss my plane. I've got to get Pazariki to Auntie Tasha's house with Tsuya and Atia, and then I've got to rush Markeria to her childcare centre. Then I've got to go all the way over to where I parked the car for Hama, and then somehow fly across town to catch my plane within peak hour traffic to fly to Hamilton. So, and I've just packed my bag, and I'm a little bit worried it might be too heavy because we have to go to the black tie dinner on Saturday, and there's a lot of stuff in their bag to get us through this one. Waiting for Mr. Chantal, my neighbour, who's actually a taxi driver, to come pick me up from where I park the car. Check out my huge ass bag. Oh my gosh, Ngahui is going to kill me. I'm hoping that it's not too heavy, but it is pretty heavy. Like, I'm struggling to lift it up, so it's kind of an indication it's close to that 20 kg mark. If I'm making it lighter, I have to take out my laptop, which is painful. Just waiting for the taxi man, and so I can get to the airport.
Hey, I lay on the carpet. That's where it started. These shitty old headphones, they always make me feel free. All full of posters, stood on your shoulders.
Video to the crew.
Damn it, Miss Joplin. I'm sure you were talking to me. I don't know about.
Just had a kai, heading to set up now in our little ass car. They say big car, but it's not. My head touches the roof. Winding down now, whānau, day one, ki te Kohanga Reo Expo. Heaps of our tamariki, been getting all our resources. Hanena, our Mo Te Reo magnets are hot fire. So please come down tomorrow, get some more. We only got a few boxes left, so please come in and get it. And we might have some free t-shirts for our tamariki and our kaiako. So hara mai. Just woke up in Hamilton. Another day at the expo, 9 to 9. All set up whānau for today. Got our magnets, got our tiha there. Hara mai.
Swords together, sharp across the skin.
Kia whānau. So it's the second day at the expo up in Hamilton. We've been doing quite long hours running seminars. It's, you know, non-stop engagement with whānau kōhanga and kaimahi. It's tiring to say the least, but the hardest part is, you know, knowing when to stop to have a kai, having a break now and again, but nah, we just have the why and carry on. So yeah, keep going, knock it out, and yeah, tina whānau
For the week, I wasn't thinking of you, but now that you're in my view, I wanna get it closer. I wanna get you close to me. Oh, maybe we give this a try. Relive those moments tonight. I wanna hold you.
late night shopping with these guys. Just finished at the movies. Now heading back to the whare before another big day at the expo. After the expo, just give me a coffee first. I think this is coffee culture. Yeah, coffee culture. Like it. Kia ora, day 3. Ki te kohanga reo ex. Kia ora whānau, kei konei tata. Mātou. Morena. Morena. Hara mai ki konei. Hara mai ki te expo. Ai, kara.
E ora ai te reo, kōrero hia. E ora ai te reo, wai o te hia.
Aia wāhi, kua kore haere ngā kaumātua ngā rurihi ki a mātou nei marae. Ko mātou ngā tamariki i aua wā. Ahakoa te kaha o ngā kaumātui i kōrero i te reo Māori. Kari i whai wā ki te whakatō tērā ahuatanga ki Wainganui i a mātou.
Kia ora whānau, but te close up shop here at the whare, head to the airport, or have a kai and then head to the airport. Miss Ngahoia is not feeling 100, and the other two girls, I think they're ready to go home. I'm tired and can't wait to see my babies, so can't wait to get home. Another thing I forgot to take a picture or video of yesterday was having to pin up my dress. I'd never tried it on before. It was given to me, and it was beautiful. Thinking that it was too small for me, actually it was way too big, and I had to pin it up, which was cool. A little bit worried about the weigh-in on Monday though, because I've had to have quite a few carbs this week, given there wasn't much options.
Maybe they're just working out How to shoot kittens.
We've got 3 hours to wait at the airport and we all tired as hell. Back home now with the whānau. Good seeing the kids. Having a good cup of coffee, a good coffee, and making me some lunch. Good to be home.